Pasta al limone. A perfect dish with fresh lemon flavor for beautiful sunny days. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. The other day, when I was shopping in the weekly market, some gorgeous organic lemon from the Amalfi Coast caught my eye. I could feel the warmth of the Italian sun by looking at their beautiful yellow color. And if you ever come across them, you have to cook pasta al limone. For this simple recipe, you just need 300 grams long type of pasta like linguine or spaghetti, 1 organic unwaxed lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, a handful of parsley, 1 till 2 chili, 2 tablespoons butter, salt, 5 tablespoons Parmigiano. Okay, let's start it. First I cut the ingredients. Do not use the non-organic lemons because you don't want to eat fungicide. In Italy, they grow lemons over there since the Roman times and use it in many different dishes. Believe it or not, even some locals squeeze lemon juice in their coffees. Later in the video I will give you some tips about how to cook the pasta properly, so stay with me. Here's the first tip. To cook any kind of pasta, you need to boil a generous amount of water. Therefore, I fill a big pot of water, then I add a good handful of salt and put it on high heat to bring it to boil. Tip number 2 is you start the sauce before cooking the pasta, because the sauce has to wait for the pasta, not the other way. Sauté the garlic and the chili. Now the salt water is boiling and I add the spaghetti and let them cook. When the garlic is slightly brown, add some of the starchy spaghetti water into it and let it simmer. You don't need to drain the water, just remove the pasta from the water using the spaghetti fork. I squeeze the beautiful lemon on the spaghetti. Add the Parmigiano into it. Turn off the heat and mix them until the cheese are melted. Then add the parsley. To plate the spaghetti, use a soup ladle and the meat fork or a pair of tongs. With a grater, test the yellow peel of the lemon over it. You can grind some fresh pepper on top and your pasta al limone is ready. If you like the video, give me a thumb up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.